Hey guys, good morning because I am here to give you guys my morning routine in under 5 minutes. So, this is how every morning starts. This is just my travel edition, but I usually take almost an hour to wake up, and then I wake up and I look at my phone or just stare at the ceiling or just play with my hair and then I go to brush my teeth and I do my little skincare routine in the shower itself, like in the bathroom itself when I'm brushing my teeth. And then I wash my face and then I move on to my toner. And this is when my skin feels squeaky clean and I feel nice about my skin. Then I move on to moisturizing. I always carry my Neutrogena Hydro Boost, the mini version. It's almost over, so I need to get a new one because I've really liked it. Okay, so as y'all know that I'm a very lazy person and I don't always remember to do things, so I always like to carry my Venus Breeze just in case I want to shave some part of my body that I've forgotten. And this time I hadn't shaved my arms and I was going to wear a dress, so I just decided to shave in the morning. So all you have to do is wet your hands, use Venus Breeze in the opposite direction of your hair. I literally, whenever I go to Big Bazaar, I pick 3 or 4 of these because this just is so convenient because of the two gel bars. You don't have to worry about soaping up, or you don't have to worry about putting a gel on your arms or your body before shaving. You can just do it right then and there. Then after I finish doing that, I always like to put some lotion on my body. I just used the one that was available in the hotel room. And then I decided to go for breakfast, but I wanted to show you all the amazing view from my room first. And it was so beautiful in Shimla. I wish I could just live there for like a week more, but I had to come back. And then I went for my breakfast and I decided to take y'all with me. And in case you're wondering what t-shirt am I wearing, it was a gift to my brother and I stole it from him because when I go to sleep I feel like his clothes and my dad's clothes are the most comfortable clothes ever. So comment down below and tell me if you guys do that too. I mean, I do it and then I post in the elevator like I always do that. Then let's move on to breakfast. And at first I couldn't find my parents, but then there they are. That's my dad. And he just said good morning. And then he was teasing me. So then I had my breakfast and then I went back to the room and took a shower and then decided to sit with y'all and film my makeup look that I was wearing that day. So I am not going to do an entire voiceover of what products I use because this is like my everyday basic makeup. Instead, I don't use foundation on a daily basis, but it's basically all the same things that I usually do. If you guys want to see an everyday makeup look, then please comment down below and I will do that for you. But here I just wanted to show you what a basic morning looks like. That's probably it, guys. I only wanted to sit with y'all and chill and wanted to show you what a basic morning looks like when I'm traveling. So I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like this video and share this video. Talk to me in the comments down below. I will try to reply to as many of you as I can. And please subscribe to my channel. You guys know how much I love you all. And I will see you super soon in my next video, guys. Bye.